I didn't waste my life. I raised a medically fragile child. My son had a tracheostomy and was fed through a G tube. This wasn't just parenting, it was constant care. There were no breaks, no, and I'll get to that later. Everything in life revolved around what my son needed, and I would make the same choice again in a heartbeat. But financially, those years came with a cost I didn't fully understand at the time. Because when people talk about being behind on retirement, there's this assumption must have been careless, irresponsible, not thinking ahead. That wasn't my story. My story was responsibility. My story was what needed to be done. But here's the truth nobody really says out loud. Life doesn't pause your retirement just because you had a reason. And the hardest part, the cost didn't show up while I was living it. It showed up later on in life. For 20 years, I wasn't building a traditional career. I was raising my son, medical needs, appointments, daily care. And when you're living that life, you're not thinking about retirement accounts or compounding interest. You're thinking, how do I get through this today? And at the same time, we were running a business. And on paper, that sounded great. Business owner. But here's what most people don't understand. Owning a business doesn't guarantee stability. It doesn't guarantee consistent income. It doesn't guarantee benefits. And it definitely doesn't mean a retirement plan is quietly building in the background. Sometimes it means you're just trying to keep everything afloat. You're focused on keeping the business running, paying the bills, handling whatever comes next. Retirement, that becomes something you'll deal with later. And later comes faster than you think. Then life shifted yet again. I went through a divorce, and for about a decade, I was a single mom. Now everything changed. There was no shared responsibility. It was me making decisions, holding everything together, making sure my kids were okay. And when you're in that position, you're not thinking 30 years ahead. You're thinking, how do I make this work right now? And again, retirement gets pushed further down the list. And here's what I didn't realize at the time. It wasn't just years that I missed. It was everything that those years were quietly taking from me. Time I couldn't get back, money that never had a chance to grow, and options I didn't even realize I was losing. Later, I remarried, and my husband of today was also a business owner and also a landowner. From the outside, it looked like we were doing well. We had assets, we had land, but the reality, we were what people call land rich, cash poor. And this is something people don't talk about enough. Assets don't always equal security. Land doesn't pay your monthly bills. Land doesn't create consistent income, and land doesn't replace a retirement plan. So even though it looks like we had something, we didn't have with stability for the future. And this is where it became real for me, because there was a moment where I stopped looking at the story and started looking at the numbers. It wasn't dramatic, it was quiet. Looking at where we were, looking at what had been built, and realizing there really wasn't enough. And that's a hard moment because you can't go back. You can't recreate time. You can't suddenly make up for years that are already gone. And what hit me the hardest wasn't just the money, it was the time, because I wasn't just behind financially, I was behind on time. So, what did those 20 years really cost me? Let's be honest. Those years cost me years of retirement contributions, years of compounding growth, career progression, higher earning potential, confidence, stepping back into something new. And maybe that's the biggest one, options. Because when you're younger, you have time to adjust, time to fix things, time to recover. When you're later in life, you still have time, but it feels a lot different. It feels more urgent. And this is the part nobody prepares you for. It's not just financial pressure, it's emotional. The thoughts start showing up. Am I going to be okay? Am I going to have enough? Am I going to become a burden on my kids? And that one stays with you because nobody wants that. You want freedom, you want independence, you want peace of mind. And here's what I had to face. I wasn't behind because I didn't care. I was behind because life happened. But life happening doesn't cancel out the consequences. And this is where everything shifted because I had a choice. Ignore it, avoid it, hope it somehow worked itself out, or face it head on. And I chose to face it. Not perfectly, but honestly, I couldn't go back and fix those 20 years. But I could decide what I was going to do next. And that's when I started looking at something different. Not another job, not starting from zero the traditional way, but learning digital skills. It's something that didn't depend on my age, didn't require years to catch up, didn't rely on someone else giving me an opportunity, and could actually grow over time. And I'll be honest, this wasn't something I ever imagined doing, but it became exactly what I needed, and I enjoy it. Because for the first time in a long time, I wasn't just reacting to life. I was building something again on purpose. And if there's one thing I want you to take from this, it's this. Working hard alone is not a retirement plan. Effort matters, but strategy matters more. If you're in your 50s and you know you're behind, you are not alone. But you also can't ignore it because time keeps moving, whether you take action or not. But you still have time to change your path. You still have time to build something. You still have time to create income that gives you options. If you're serious about fixing this, the first step is learning a skill that gives you leverage. I've put my free Freedom Formula blueprint in the description below. It shows you exactly how to start building digital income, step by step. And if you want support while you're doing it, you can join my Retirement Freedom Seekers community as well. We'd love to have you. I can't change what those 20 years cost me, but I can make sure that the next 20 years look completely different. Because it's not about where you should have been, it's about what you choose to do now.